Good morning, children. Welcome to our next session, English Lesson 3, The Dog's Tale. Before we complete it, lesson explanation and new words. Now we are learning in this session meanings, children. Number 1, first meaning is G-E-N-I-E, Genie, means a magical spirit with strange powers. Genie means a magical spirit with strange powers. Number 2, task. Task means a PIECE, piece of work that has to be done, has to be done, D-O-N-E, done. Then number 3, straighten, R-A-I-G-H-T-E-N, straighten, make something straight. Straight. The next, number 4, might. Might means strength, S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H, strength or power. Two meanings are there, strength or power. Then number 5, sweat, S-W-E-A-T, sweat, give out, water, like drops from the skin when it is hot. It is hot. Listen, children, here Genie means a magical spirit with strange powers. It has a strong power. Okay, strange spirit power. What others say it can do. The next, task, a piece of work that has to be done. Task means if others saying to us that work, a piece of work, you have to do this work. Okay, that is the task. Straighten, make something straight, pulling something and making the work is straight. Straight something, that means curled, rounded. Okay. Might, strength or power. You have power, that is the might. The next is sweat, give out water like drops from the skin when it is hot. In the summer season, when we are getting sweat by the very hot, so that time we are getting the drops of water in our body, that is the sweat. Okay, now you understood the meanings, children. Now we are going to learn the question and answers. Number 3, question and answer. Question number 1. What did W-H-A-T, what D-I-D, did, what did the farmer farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer, wish, W-I-S-H, wish, to have, to have. The question is, what did the farmer wish to have? Answer is, what he was wishing? Wants to a genie to do his work completely. Okay, that is the answer. He means the farmer. He wished, W-I-S-H-E-D, wish, to have a genie, G-E-N-I-E, genie, to do all his work. See the first question. What did the farmer wish to have? What was he wishing? He wished to have a genie to do all his work. He was wishing that, he means the farmer. He was wishing that to do all his work for a genie. Okay. The next question number 2. Who, W-H-O, who appeared, A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, appeared before the farmer. Who appeared before the farmer when he wished the genie? Who appeared? A genie. Answer is a genie appeared, A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, appeared before the farmer. Who appeared before the farmer? Who appeared, children? A genie. That is it has a magical power. It is spirit power. A genie appeared before the farmer to do his work completely. Then question number 3. How did, H-O-W, how, D-I-D, did, how did the genie, G-E-N-I-E, genie, look? How did it look? Answer is, the genie looked, L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. Answer is in past tense, children. Very big, P-I-G, big, and A-N-D, and S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Third question is, how did the genie look? How it looks like? The genie looked very big and strong. The genie looked very big and strong. 3 questions here, children. Now the question number 4. Question number 4. What did, W-H-I-T, what, D-I-D, did, what did the genie, T-H-E, the genie, G-E-N-I-E, genie, do in the farmer's field? Question is, what did the genie do in the farmer's fields? Here farmers, F-A-R-M-E-R apostrophe S, Farmers belongs to the farmer. That is the meaning is farmers. Fields, the farm. What did he do? Answer is the Jenny. The Jenny dug a well in the farmer's field. Here the question is, what did the Jenny do in the farmer's field? What work the farmer gave to Jenny first? To dig a well, isn't it? That was he completed in the half an hour. See, the Jenny dug a well. Dug means already completed the work. That's why dug a well in the farmer's field. Okay. The next question number 5. What did the Jenny, G-E-N-I, Jenny, build, B-U-I-L-D, built for the farmer? See the question. What did the Jenny build for the farmer? What did he build? He built a house, big house. How many stories? 5-story building. Okay. The answer is the Jenny built. Here past tense, B-U-I-L-T, built a big house, a big house for the farmer. See the question. What did the Jenny build for the farmer? What did he build, children? He built a big house for the farmer. The Jenny built a big house for the farmer. Then question number 6. What did the Jenny want to eat? Want to eat. Question is, what did the Jenny want to eat? What did he want to eat, children? Eat, to kill the farmer and eat his flesh. Answer is the Jenny wanted to eat the farmer. Say, children, what did the Jenny want to eat? Answer is the Jenny wanted to eat the farmer. Okay. The next question number 7. Question number 7. What did the schoolmaster, M-A-S-T-E-R, master, give to the farmer? Question is, what did the schoolmaster give to the farmer? What did he give? He gave his dog. Answer is the schoolmaster Master, master gave his dog to the farmer. The question is, what did the schoolmaster give to the farmer? What did he give? He gave his dog to the farmer. The next question 8. What task, T-A-S-K, task could the Jenny not do? What work he didn't do? To straight the dog's tail. ANS. The Jenny, N-I-E, Jenny couldn't, that means could not straighten the dog's tail. The 8th question is, what task could the Jenny not to do? What work he gave to Jenny? The last 3 works he gave, no? The last work was the Jenny could not straighten the dog's tail. What was the last work? To straighten the dog's tail. But he couldn't do that. So, the answer is the Jenny could not straighten the dog's tail. These are the question answers, children. So, meanings and question answers completed now. Write these meanings and question answers into the class workbook and copy to the homework book also. Send it, children. Learn well. Thank you.